Today, a question for the Supreme Court of Ohio. If a parent thinks their kid needs medical care, should the state be able to tell them their child can't get it?
It all started after Ohio passed a law restricting certain treatments for transgender minors. This morning, that fight went before the highest court in our state.
10 Investigates reporter Rochelle Aline is live outside the courthouse with what she learned. Rochelle?
You know, both sides agree this is a parents' rights issue. One side saying this law is going too far, while the other side says this law is actually violating their rights. Should minors in Ohio be allowed to access gender-affirming medical care? According to House Bill 68, that answer is no.
The Honorable Chief Justice and Justices of the Supreme Court.
Since that law went into effect in 2024, there's been legal pushback. On Tuesday, Ohio State Supreme Court justices heard oral arguments in that fight. Several Ohio families are suing the state because of that law. The ACLU attorneys representing those families say those treatments are used to help kids who are experiencing gender dysphoria. And they added that they should be legalized for very limited medical purposes similar to opioids.
Opioids are allowed for specific purposes. There are regulations on opioids, significant regulations.
But the Ohio Attorney General's office disagrees.
Is it the state's position that parents have no rights in this?
That's not exactly right, Your Honor. Our position is that parents do not have an unlimited right to override the General Assembly's contrary determination. It's not a constitutional right.
10 Investigates took that statement directly to ACLU attorneys after Tuesday's hearing.
This is a fundamental right that parents historically have had in Ohio and across the country. I think that trans kids, trans people are being used as pawns in political games.
A spokesperson for the Attorney General's office also released a statement after court today. It says, quote, "We are defending Ohio's right to protect children from risky medical treatments. It makes sense to keep children from making life-altering decisions before they're mature enough to fully understand those lifetime consequences," end quote. In the meantime, we are expecting a written opinion from those state Supreme Court justices. In Columbus, Rochelle Aline, 10 TV News.